what's up? It's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense. Are you a student who's recently been given the task to come up with a state project, but you don't know what to do, where to go, or how to get started? If so, I'm here to help. Now, I'm not going to do this project for you, but I do want to help give you enough information to get that ball rolling, take it, run with it, and do an awesome job on it. I have a state report graphic organizer that I have for sale on my Teacher Pay Teacher website. If you think that might be something you want or need, I'll put a direct link for it in the comments section down below. Now, this video is specifically tailored for students who are doing their project on the state of Louisiana. Louisiana became the 18th state to join the Union on April 30th, 1812. The original governor was a guy named William Claiborne. We know today that the capital of Louisiana is Baton Rouge, but that wasn't always the case. In fact, Louisiana's original capital was a town called New Orleans. The state flag consists of a blue background with a crest in the center consisting of a nest bearing 3 chicks, a mother pelican with her head turned to the viewers with 3 drops of blood on her breast, which symbolizes how the state sacrifices for her people. The state bird is the brown pelican. The state tree is the bald cypress, the state flower is the magnolia, and the state nickname is the Pelican State. The state motto is simply 3 words: union, justice, and confidence. I love that. Now, hopefully this is enough information to get that ball rolling, take it, run with it, and do an awesome job on this. You got this! Until next time, it's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense.